She's been battling breast cancer since July, but State Representative Julie Stokes recently received amazing news from her doctors. She's now cancer-free. In her first on-camera interview since that announcement, Stokes opens up to Carice Jackman about her journey and her road to recovery.
Aren't you excited?
After a nearly 6-month battle against triple-negative breast cancer, State Representative Julie Stokes is rejoicing over her victory with her family.
I look at it as a second chance.
She learned last week she's now 100% cancer-free.
I never thought for a minute that I would die of it, but those numbers were there. I mean, it was a 30-something% shot that nothing would work, so that was scary.
Her recovery isn't over. She's still recuperating at home after having a double mastectomy, but she's doing so with a smile on her face. Stokes made the announcement last July about her diagnosis, stepping down from her run for state treasurer in order to focus on her health. There were days where the battle wasn't easy.
The first run of chemotherapy was a drug called Taxol. That was for 12 weeks, every week. And it actually grew on Taxol, so I was very kind of panicked about that. But then the second drug was adriamycin, and that was 4 times, but every other week, so 8 weeks. And we just feel like it was melting away.
Dr. Scott Sullivan was Stokes' physician at the Center for Restorative Breast Surgery, a facility on St. Charles Avenue, catering to breast cancer patients and reconstruction.
Many of the patients we get are those who've had complications from other reconstructive procedures. The reconstructions we do are quite challenging. They're technically difficult. They're microsurgery, so we transplant tissue. We sew blood vessels that are 1 millimeter in diameter.
As Stokes gets her strength back, she can't help but thank the countless people who were pushing for her. And even though her battle is over, she plans on being there for so many women still fighting.
There's just so many women in our area that have gone through this. There's so many women that are going through it now. Just keep asking people to find a friend that somebody that you can walk through this journey with.
In Kenner, I'm Carice Jackman, Eyewitness News.
Stokes says she's excited to get back to the legislature, but she isn't in a rush. She says she's learning to cherish each minute of life.